Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another topic. Today my topic is Candy brand washer and dryer. This machine actually 12.5 washer and 9 kg dry machine. This machine having problem actually we are not able to use this machine because this machine within few seconds after starting machine getting off, that's mean power tripping. Because of that we collected to the workshop. Now I'm going to repair this machine and also I will show you how to repair this one, and we will go to the next step. Now dear friends, I already given connection, power connection. Now the problem actually, if we are selecting any option, wash cycle is water taking and everything is perfect, but within few minutes it's getting tripping. According to the customer information, that's that much only. But now I'm going to select the any option and we will select, we will check. Now I already given power connection. You can see here. Also I'm giving here I will check easy to check. I will select here spin cycle. That's mean here direct spin not available with this machine. Because of that I selected rings, and I will select manually spin cycle here. I will press one time here, it will come drain and spin. Now I will start the machine. Now you can see here I already selected spin cycle 10 minutes. Door already got locked. It's showing 10 minutes. Now still motor also not rotating. Here now start to motor rotate, but drain pump we are not able to hear the from the drain pump noise, but still machine is running, still machine working. Yes, you can see dear friends. Yeah, this is the problem. It is already power breaker trip, but after few minutes it's showing it's like that, because this is inverter system. Now it is already gone, power breaker already got tripped. Now we have to remove the machine. We have to check actually A to Z what is the problem exactly. First we have to check drain pump. After that we have to check main motor. That means this is inverter motor, 3 connection we have to check with the body. After that we have to check inverter inductor. Also we have to check all the heaters, the wash heater and dry heater and dry fan motor, blower, door switch, everything we have to check one by one. After that only we can recognize what is the exactly problem, and we will go to the next step. Now friends, we have to remove the top cover first. We will remove here. Now we can remove this part. After that we have to pull out this one slowly. It will come like that. Now we can check here heater connections, also this motor. Here heater and motor. Door lock actually no need to check because door already getting locked, and unlock also because of that. First we will check here. Now I will disconnect here first motor. Now we can check. It's showing actually it is motor is showing good, no any problem. It's no with the body leakage. It's not earthing. Also we will do one thing, we will give the power connection. Direct supply we will give, it is, we can confirm 100%. I will give the connection here. Yes, I already given connection and I will give the power. Yes dear, that's mean it is 100% no problem with the heater, sorry, blower motor. I will disconnect again. That's mean no problem with the motor, it's working fine without any problem. And also I will disconnect again this one, and also I will check the heater. I will remove here heater connections. And also I will check continuity. Yes dear, that heater also continuity is showing. It is showing 35 ohms. Here no any leakage, it's not earthing with the body. And also I'm giving at same before, it's direct power. After that I have to confirm 100%, because sometime some heaters after getting warm heating at the same time power tripping, because if it is any damage. But this case is difference actually, but anyway we have to check properly. And also earth wire I have to keep here. Yes, it's okay. Now I will give the power connection again. Now I will check its power 230. Yes dear, you can see here it is 230 power already supplying. Also heating, no problem with the heater also. Yeah, it's heating, no problem. That means this two item it is 100% okay, no problem. I will give the connection again as same before. Now dear, we have to check the back of the machine. Also I will give the connection here also, because I didn't give connection. It's too much heat actually, it came too much heat quickly, because fan not working, because of that this dry duct already got too much heat. I'm back of the machine here, and I will check the heater and motor connection. Now I have to remove here all the screws. Remove like that here lock. So I will remove the here this one belt also, but while you are going to remove, very careful we have to do this one, because this it is very sharpened. See, your hand will get damaged because of that. And now I'm going to check heater connections. We'll disconnect here connections heater. Yes, now we will check here. Yes dear, it is heater already showing continuity, that means it's no any defect. Also with the earth wire also we have to check if it is any ground or not. We can check here also, no problem. Yes dear, that heater also okay. Now finally we have to check inverter motor. I will disconnect here connections. Also here earth wire I remove already. Now we can check. Now you can see dear friends, here only 3 wires, that means this is inverter 3 phase, you can see here. Now I have to check this 3 connector. Yes dear, it should show actually 5 to 20 ohms. Now that means perfectly it's showing, it is 5 it's showing, that means motor is okay. Also other one also, it should show actually all 3 terminals same value. That's mean this is 3 phase inverter motor because of that. Anyway, now I will check the ground with the body. Yes dear, also no any problem. Now I have to check here inverter inductor. That's mean actually it is it's not the transformer, this is inverter generator actually. This is supplying 3 phase to the main motor. This is 3 phase inverter motor. This is the inverter supplying to the motor. Here this one also we can check the winding, it's okay or not. Yes dear, you can see it is inverter inductor also is okay, no problem. You can see here, if it is less continuity showing, it is damage actually internally winding, but in this situation it's that winding also okay, no issue. Yes, it is no problem. I will show you the inductor again. Here I having a new one also. You can see this is the inverter inductor.